Hello students, in the last video we have completed question number 1 of exercise 5.6. Now we will begin with question number 2. Let's read out the question, divide and write the quotient and remainder. In this question also you have to divide the given numbers and then you have to write the quotient and remainder. So here we have 8643 as a dividend because we have to divide it. The number to be divided is known as dividend and we have to divide it by 2. So 2 is the divisor over here. Let's arrange the numbers in the long division form first. Okay, I have arranged them in long division form. Let's mark the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now first of all, as we were doing earlier also, we are going to consider only one digit. So I'm going to take the first digit. Since this is a 4-digit number, so we'll be starting from thousands place. The digit is 8. Let's read out the table of the divisor and check whether 8 occurs or not. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 8 is occurring in the table of divisor how many times? It's occurring 4 times. So we'll write 4 in thousands place. Now we'll multiply the divisor with this number. 2 fours are 8. We'll subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit. The next digit is 6. Let's read out the table of divisor once again. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. You can see 6 आ रहा है 2 के टेबल में how many times? 3 times, right? So we'll write 3 in hundreds place. Now we'll multiply this by divisor. 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. Now we'll bring down the next digit. The next digit is 4. Again, let's read out the table of divisor once again. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 4 is occurring in the table of divisor. कितने times आ रहे? 2 times. So we'll write 2 here. We'll multiply divisor with this number. 2 twos are 4. We will subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit. What is the digit? 3. Let's read out the table of divisor again. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Now this 4 is greater than 3. 4 3 से बड़ा है. We cannot take it. So we'll take the multiple that is above it. उसके ऊपर वाली जो previous multiple है हम उसे consider करेंगे. Means we are going to take 2. How many times? 1 time. So in the table of divisor, this 2 is occurring how many times? 1 time. So we'll write 1 here. Now we'll multiply divisor with this digit. 2 ones are 2. Let's subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Now how we come to know that we have completed the division? Because we have used all the digits. Our remainder, जो हमारा remainder है वो divisor से क्या है? छोटा है, smaller है. It means हम आगे division नहीं करेंगे. हमारी division यहाँ पे finished हो गई. So this is our quotient. What is our quotient? 4321 is the quotient. And what is our remainder? Remainder is 1. We'll mention the things below. So our quotient is 4321 and remainder is 1. Now have a look on the B part. We have to divide 962 by 3. So 962 is dividend and 3 is a divisor. I have arranged them in long division form and I have marked the places as well. Now this is a 3-digit number. ये 3-digit का number है तो हम कहाँ से start करेंगे division? From hundreds place. Okay. Now first we are going to take only one digit. What is the digit? The digit is 9. Let's read out the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So 9 is occurring in the table of divisor how many times? 3 times. 9 डिवाइजर मीन्स 3 की टेबल में आ रहा है, कितने टाइम्स अकर कर रहे हैं 3 टाइम्स, सो वील राइट 3 in hundreds place. We'll multiply 3 3s are 9. Now we will subtract 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay, now we'll bring down the next digit. The next digit is 6. Again, let's read out the table of divisor. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 is occurring in the table of divisor. 6 3 की टेबल में आ रहा है, कितने टाइम्स 2 times, so we'll write 2 in tens place. We'll multiply divisor with this number. 3 2s are 6. Now we will subtract 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, now we'll bring down the next digit. What is the digit? The digit is 2. Let's read out the table of divisor again. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. ओके 3 1s are 3. 3 जो है वो 2 से बड़ा है. ओके, सो व्हाट वील डू, वील रीड 0 टाइम्स. 3 0s are 0. हम कितने टाइम्स लेकर जाएंगे 0 टाइम्स. 3 0s are 0. सो वील राइट 0 in ones place. We'll multiply with 3. 3 0s are 0. Now we'll subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. So we have used all the digits. हमने सारे digits use कर लिए. And the remainder is smaller than divisor. जो हमारा remainder है 2, this is smaller than this 3. divisor से छोटा है. So we are not going to divide anymore. So our quotient, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. So quotient is 320 and remainder is 2. Now have a look on C part. We have to divide 807 by 4. 807 is dividend and 4 is a divisor. First we are going to arrange them in long division form. Let's mark the places. This is ones, tens and 100. Now again we'll consider only one digit. So we'll take the first digit. It's a 3-digit number, so we'll begin from hundreds place. The first digit is 8. Let's read out the table of divisor. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we are getting 8 in the table of divisor. How many times we are getting? We are getting 2 times. We are getting this number 8 in the table of divisor. कितने times आ रहे हैं 2 times, so we'll write 2 here in hundreds place. Now we'll multiply divisor with this 2. 4 2s are 8. We'll write it here. We'll subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we'll bring down the next digit, that is 0. Now let's read out the table of divisor again. 4 1s are 4. 4 is greater than 0. 4 तो 0 से बड़ा है. So what we'll do, we'll take 0 times. 4 0s are 0. 0 4 की टेबल में आ रहा है, कितने टाइम्स आ रहे हैं 0 टाइम्स अकर कर रहे हैं. So we'll write 0 here. 4 multiply by 0. 4 0s are 0. When we multiply any number with 0, the result is always 0. Let's subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. Let's bring down the next digit. The next digit is 7. Let's read out the table of 4 again. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now this 8 is greater. ये तो 8 7 से बड़ा है. So what we'll do, we'll take 4. How many times? 1 time. Okay, we'll write 1 here. 4 1s are 4. We'll subtract 7 minus 4 is 3. We have used all the digits. हमने सारे digits use कर लिए. And the remainder is smaller than divisor. Remainder क्या है? Divisor से smaller है. 3 is smaller than divisor. So our quotient is 201 and our remainder is 3. So quotient is 201 and remainder is equals to 3. You have to note down till C part in your copy and try D part in your maths notebook. Okay.